I just noticed I don't have any spaghetti video resting on my channel. That is unlike me, guys. I'm so sorry. So the video is here. Let's view. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. If today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, may God keep on blessing you. So my people, today I'm super excited to bring us the best and the easiest way to cook your jollof spaghetti. If you don't want to miss this, guys, sit down and see how this is being cooked. I'm so excited to bring this ogbonge recipe to our doorstep. So my people, let's see how the jollof spaghetti is being cooked. First thing to do is to season the beef. Now I just add in ginger and garlic and salt to taste, paprika, Maggi cube. Then I will add in all-purpose seasoning. So these are all the ingredients. Then all I will do is I will mix everything together and make sure that everything gets combined. So I have to give this a thorough mix about 1 to 2 minutes. After giving it a nice mix, I have to cover this to marinate about 1 to 2 hours. You can as well leave it for 1 hour if you care. So this takes me for 2 hours. Before now, I have hot water in the fire. So now all I will do is to add the spaghetti inside the hot water. I will spread all of it inside the water and let this to turn to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it has turned to boil. I come to check on it and this is how it looks. Just take a good look at the spaghetti and this is how it looks after 5 minutes. So I'll just give it a little bit of stir, then take it out from the hot water. So here is the spaghetti. So all I will do is to turn it inside my steamer, then add in cold water. So the reason of adding cold water is to help the spaghetti to stop cooking, and it will still enable the spaghetti not to stick together. So all I will do is to make sure that this cold water touch all over the body of the spaghetti before I will keep it aside for future use. So after this process, I will just keep it, then prepare the rest of the ingredients. So that is it, my people. Let's keep going. For the stew, I'll be making use of tomato. So here I have 3 pieces of tomato. So it's already chopped, and now I will just add it inside my blender. The next ingredient I will be making use of is onions and garlic. So I just add it inside my blender. Of course, we'll be needing hot pepper. So I just add in my red chili. So now I will cover to blend until all the ingredients get blended. So now it's blending. So at this point it's already blended. You can see how smooth this look. So I will just open now. This is how it looks. Just take a good look at this. So now I'm done blending the tomato. So here is my frying pan. All I will do is to add in cooking oil inside the frying pan. It's 2 hours already. The meat has marinated for now. So all I will do is to add it inside the hot oil, then give it a very good fry. I just have to stir everything together and let this meat to fry about 5 to 6 minutes before taking it out from the oil. I know some people will say, why not cook the meat instead of you frying it? Yes, my darling, I'm frying this meat. I think this is the best process because this is just chopped meat and it's not that big. And this process, my darling, if you have not been trying it, you have to give it a try. The outcome is so nice. So I just like this simple process, and the outcome is so nice, my darling. You have to give it a try. So just give it a simple 10 minutes to fry, and after frying, this is how it looks. Just take a good look at it. So now it's fried. All I will do is to take it out from the oil. Now it's time to prepare the stew. First of all, I will add in some chopped onions and give it a little bit of fry. Just stir it together and let these onions to fry for just 1 minute before adding the tomato. Here is the tomato sauce I will be making use of. So now I will just add in my tomato sauce, then give it a good stir. I will let this tomato sauce and onions to fry for 10 to 15 minutes before adding any other ingredient. So I will just give it a stir and let this to fry for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is the outcome. So this is how it look after 15 minutes. So all I will do is to add in the blended tomato and the rest of the ingredient that I blend together. So I'll just turn everything inside, then stir it until everything gets combined. After stirring, I have to give this about 10 minutes to fry until the tomato is well fried. So after 10 minutes, this is how it look. I have to add in my seasoning cubes and salt to taste. So I just add this some salt to taste. Now I will just give it a very good stir so that all the ingredients will get combined. Now the stew is ready, so it's time for us to add in the spaghetti. So here is the spaghetti. I just finished adding it inside the stew. So next thing I will be adding is chopped carrot. So here is the chopped carrot, and then I will just add it inside. Next to add is the green beans. So here is the green beans I'll be making use of. So now I will just stir everything together until everything gets combined. So I have to give this a very good mix, because this just requires mix. So you have to stir this so that everything will get combined. So this will be taking me about 2 minutes to mix everything together. On it, guys. So now I will be adding some green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So after that I will add in the fried meat. So here is the fried beef. So I'll just finish adding it inside and just give it a very good stir and make sure that all of it still gets combined. So that is it, my people. I will still make sure that I give this a very good stir. I really enjoy eating this spaghetti, guys. I really enjoy eating this spaghetti. The outcome is so nice. I really like the outcome of this spaghetti, so I love it a lot. I hope you are going to give it a try. Just a simple way, and to prepare your spaghetti, just take a good look at this. You can use it to do anything of your choice. Yeah, even if it's your party, anything you are doing, you can always make use of this kind of process of spaghetti. Just prepare your spaghetti like this and leave the rest for God. It's so sweet, my people. So I like the outcome. So you can see that I'm fighting missing this. So the missing is just, it's not here. So it takes me time to make sure that everything gets combined. So at this point, the spaghetti is ready. I'm just dishing out some of it, and that is it. If you think you can use it for your party, you think you can use it for your get together, or you just do it for you and your amazing family to eat, all of it is useful for you, my sweetheart. So just take a good look at it. It's ready, and it's calling you to come and take a test. It said, come and test me, I am ready. So that is all, my people. If you enjoy this simple way of making your spaghetti, please don't forget to give it a try. If you like the way I make it, still drop it in the comment section. And if you like the outcome, please drop it in the comment section. I will really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye bye.